All right, we're gonna go for a spin here in a really fun car. It's a 2018 Mustang GT Coupe. But this one has all the Roush goodies. The guy sent it out, and like I said in my ad, like a blank check, go ahead and give me all the good stuff. So it's got a 700 horsepower, 5.0, 6-speed transmission. It's got the short shift. It has 373 positive traction, limited slip differential. And the Roush comes with like front rear spoilers. It's got better suspension, Brembo brakes. Goes pretty good. And this is all smog legal. It's got a carb number, California Air Resource Board. So it's just something you can just drive and not worry about getting past smog or getting in trouble. But it's got the nice Borla exhaust, you can hear it and you can feel it. Rides nice and smooth, air blows cold. It's got a nice stereo system, the Sync 3 system. The whole rear seat is amplifiers and speakers, and it's done really well. But we do have a brand new rear seat in the box in case somebody wanted to just get rid of that. I mean, it sounds good without all that, but you know, people do things to cars. But pretty neat car. It's got all the Roush stuff without the big expense of having a Roush numbered car. All right, we'll go up here and take some more pictures and video, let you get a look at it. All right, we're gonna do a little walk around here around our 2018 Ford Mustang GT with the Roush upgrade on it. So, what a car. I mean, it's got these 20-inch RSR wheels on there. It's got the big Brembo brakes like Roush puts on them. It's got the body kit. Looks super cool. Giant tires in the back, 295/35 ZR20s. It's got the spoiler on the back also. It's got one-off Borla exhaust from Borla. I think they were testing exhaust systems when this car was built, and they gave them a deal on them. Sounds great. But it's magnetic metallic is the color. Of course, it's got the satin stripes on there, satin and red. Looks fantastic. The vented hood, the little splitter up front. Great looking car. Let's look inside real quick, show you the interior. So the upgrades are the Ford racing seats. Very comfortable. A little tight when you get in and out of them, but you know what? When you're in there, it feels fantastic. Of course, all the power options. You know, it's got a very nice stereo, upgraded stereo actually. Ford Performance door sills. It's got the Roush mats in there. So the back seat is now a stereo. It's got amplifiers and a couple of subwoofers back there. We do have a back seat, brand new in the box, so if somebody wanted to put that back in. Nice interior though. It's got all the gauges, ground speed. I love that instead of air speed. All the controls on the steering wheel, Alcantara. Nice grip to it. It's got a mode system down here, so you can go track mode, cruise mode, you know, stiffens everything up. Sounds a little better. Pretty cool. Air blows cold. Got the Ford Racing short shift kit. Of course, there's that serial number from Roush. I like the spun aluminum look here too. That's real nice. Good looking car. Lots of options. Got decent miles on it. 51,000 miles. A lot of car for the money. Here's the power plant in the 2018 Mustang GT. Look at that, man. They stuffed that motor in there, put a supercharger on the top, 700 horsepower, but all professionally done. Wasn't done in somebody's backyard. It's a really nice job, smog legal. Even in California, there's your carb number. It's kind of cool. All the original panels. Got the cold air intake. Maximum Motorsports little strut brace bar there. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you. Nice and smooth running. I can't believe they can get that kind of horsepower out of cars now and actually be able to drive it on the road. Exhaust sounds amazing. Give it a wrap, Carlos. Yeah, sounds great. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out and visit us in Simi Valley. We're at 2158 Union Place, City of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car in person, or if you're out of state, you want to just get it shipped or something, let us know. We'll work it all out. Thanks for watching.